Hello everyone, this is Java Series 6 and in this video we will learn basic structure in Java programming, comment statement, output statement, features of BlueJ and its description. So basic structure in Java programming. The basic format of writing a program in Java is entirely different from that of other languages. So it is essential to know the following points while writing a Java program. The first one is comment in a program. It is an integral part of the program and makes it more meaningful. Next, declaration of class. It contains the word access specifier, that is public. It also defines the keyword class, which is followed by a meaningful class name. For example, if you are writing a program to find the sum of two numbers, then it could be written as public class sum. The opening of brackets indicates the beginning of a class and the main function. Declaration of main function. It contains the data by which execution of the Java statement takes place. It contains input stream and output statement. Termination of each statement must be indicated with a semicolon. Okay, and closing of curly brackets indicates the closing of main function. That means this one is the opening and this one is the closing. Now this is the sample program. This program is to find the sum of two numbers. So how we have to start? This program is divided into two parts, number 1 and number 2. So first we will declare public class sample. Public is the access specifier, class is a keyword, and sample is the name of the class. After that we have to give the opening curly brackets of the class. Then we will write public static void main of main function. Again we have to give the opening bracket of main function. Inside it we have to declare the variable ABC. The data type of all the three variables is int. The value of A is 10 and B is 15. In this statement we are finding the sum and storing the value in the variable C, and in last one we are displaying the output. This one is the closing of main function and this one is the closing bracket of sample class. The public static void main string args. What is public? It is a keyword used to specify that the function has no restriction on being used anywhere throughout the system. Static. This keyword states that the function needs no object created for its use. Void. It refers to the non-returnable type of function, that is the function will not return any value. Now which function not return any value? Main function. It is the function name. The main function is called by default from the system. As soon as the command to execute a program is issued, the control by default jumps to the main function for its execution. This is why the main function is so special. String args. This is an args array or argument array that receives the value input from keyboard as string data. Comments. There are three types of comments: single line comment, multi-line comment and documenting comment. Now single line comment. In this system the comment or remark is stated within a single line starting with double slash. So as you can see in this example, this comment I want to give in the program, so we have to start with double slash. In multi-line comment, it may happen that the comment statement cannot complete within a line, so and may take more lines. So how to start multi-line comments? We have to start with slash, star and then star slash, as you can see in this example. Documenting comment. Sometimes you may need to include some text documents. So this can be made possible by using documenting comments. How to start documenting comments? By slash, double star, and how to end? Star slash. Example is given here. Output statement. The statement which is used to get output of the program or to display the messages on the screen is given as this one. Two types of output statements are there. One is system.out.print and second is system.out.println. ln means next line. This is the syntax, this is the example given here, and this output you will get. Now these messages are to be written within double quotes, enclosed within a braces. That means whatever message you want to display, you have to write it inside the double quotes, inside the braces and semicolon. So if you want to display a message along with a variable, then it could be written as this one. Suppose I want to display the message the sum of two number is along with the value, then we have to use plus symbol. The output you will get is the sum of two number is 45 if the value of p is 45. When a message is to be displayed along with a variable, they are separated with plus symbol. Now here this plus symbol used to concatenate, or you can say to join the message with the variable, or you can say value of the variable. Okay, now this plus symbol is used to concatenate, and another plus symbol is the arithmetic operator used to find the sum of two or more variables. Java programming with BlueJ. BlueJ is a free Java environment from Monash University, Australia. It is a window-based platform for Java Development Kit. JDK 1.3 version needs to be installed before installing BlueJ. Now some of the features of BlueJ are: the compilation as well as the execution of the program is comparatively easier than JDK 1.3 platform. It is window-based platform where the user can perform the task more conveniently. When you declare a class, it facilitates a sample program to give a brief idea of the programming. Debugging can also be done easily as it indicates the errors at the bottom of the same window. It also supports the syntax of the program which is written on JDK 1.3 DOS based. Here a sample program is given. Now we will discuss this program line by line. The first line is used for comment. In second line, the description of class is there. The public keyword here is optional. The system by default takes the class to be public. The third line is the starting of class block with opening brackets. Fourth line, that means this line, the header declaration of main class, a main function. The program execution takes place from this line. The keyword public indicates that it has no restriction. The word static allows the running the program, and void means main does not return anything. Number 5, a fifth line, starting of the main function block which opening curly brackets. 6 to 10, these are the executable statement to display the messages on the screen. Number 11 is the end of main class with the closing curly brackets, and 12 is the end of class block with the closing curly brackets. Okay. Now hope this video is helpful for you. In next video we will solve some problems, or we will solve some programs. So till then, thank you.